Hello everybody, this is Phil, the Old Earth Creationist again. Today I want to discuss one of the very first things that made me really consider and even begin to accept Old Earth Creationism. And that is Supernova 1987a. Supernova is simply a star that explodes. And they happen regularly, but we don't always see them when they happen. And so this supernova happened in 1987. And what's unique about it is it was the first one in the Milky Way galaxy in about 400 years that we could see with the unaided eye. And also what's very unique about it, very unique actually, I believe, is that we also could identify the star from which it came. So this was an amazing opportunity for astronomers to study this. And so when I learned about this, I also learned that, okay, this star had been there for all of history. The star was there. And then one day it was supernova. So I also learned that this star in supernova was 168,000 light years away. So it took 168,000 approximately years for the light of that supernova to reach us. So that exploding star exploded 168,000 years ago. And we were just seeing it in 1987 for the first time. And because the star existed for all of history and we could see it, I guess they didn't have telescopes for a lot of it, but it was there, and when we got telescopes we could see it. And we could identify it. And then it was supernova, and it took 168,000 years to get here. So that was like, wow, yeah, the universe is old. And that really moved me in the direction of accepting an old earth, old universe. And I also learned at the same time that the Bible doesn't say the earth is 6,000 years old. That's an interpretation. And so I began to embrace the old earth creationist view. And of course this brought up questions, but I've been looking at it and becoming more and more convinced that the earth and the universe are old. And I also believe and accept the Bible and creation. And I just want to encourage you that are possibly considering the old earth, old universe view to look into it and look at people like John Lennox or Dr. Hugh Ross, Reasons.org, and stay tuned for more videos where I give more reasons why I'm an old universe, old earth creationist. And thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.